No, you didn't.
Hello, YouTube! Today we are here in the beautiful
Benny H. Potter?
Wait, let's do that together. One,
This
two,
is
three.
how I shoot everything.
Wait, Abby, one, two,
Okay.
three.
Hello, YouTube! Today we are here at the beautiful Benny H. Potter Park in West Adams, and I'm here with my two besties, Jessica Bellini and David Nunez, and we are going to do some fun pumpkin carving. PSA, just so you know, we have all been tested for COVID, all negatives. We are all going to stand 6 feet apart during this, and we're gonna have some nice, safe fun. So wear your masks.
And wear your mask. And vote. Please go vote. Never carved a pumpkin in my life, but I have worn a pumpkin in my hand. It's terrifying, and it was stuck.
I'm excited because I just enjoy crushing Jessica at any competition.
That's why he told me he hasn't carved a pumpkin ever in his
That is
life.
actually
What do you have to
not
say about
true.
that?
But yeah, I just enjoyed crushing her. No one told me about rules.
You thought it was going to be a free-for-all?
Yeah.
We are each going to have a Pumpkin Pro Colossal Carving Kit.
That's so American.
Okay, 20 minutes.
20 minutes,
30
okay.
minutes.
20 minutes.
30 minutes? I gotta
But
figure out how to
light's
do it.
gonna go out.
The sun? You mean the sun?
25 minutes to make your design.
Can I create my own design?
Yes!
Woo!
You're encouraged to create your own
Okay.
design. Make your design, make it special, make it beautiful, make it scary, make it spooky, make it original.
That's easy.
Oh, that's easy.
Yep.
Don't carve a dick.
Oh!
Stop reading my mind.
I'm scared. We shouldn't have given them a knife.
Okay.
Okay. What do I do? Any final words?
Yeah, why is it that Brazil always loses to Venezuela at any competition?
He's dreaming. What world are you living in? Oh, we're
I'm
gonna
so
see this
ready
today.
for
I'm
this.
scared. Okay! 3, 2, 1, go! 25 minutes starts now!
Oh.
I opened a hole! My hair!
Bro, I didn't even have an idea.
My strategy is to come up with something really original and funny.
You're telling me little kids do this? That'd be a surprise for you.
I'm not looking.
I was trying to look.
And in the last moments, David completely tips over his pumpkin. I sure wouldn't want to be in David's feet David's shoes right now. I sure wouldn't. He has to completely rebuild what he's been attempting for the past 25 minutes to do. Wow, I really wouldn't want to be David right now. See, the proper draping of pumpkin goo is a very delicate art form, okay? You don't want to do that lightly, okay? It's only for the most trained of hands. He was ambitious in this design, but I don't know if it's going to serve him well or end in his total annihilation by the Brazilian. Jessica, on the other hand, has had intense design and forethought in all of her moves. We don't even know what's on the other side of her pumpkin. Will it be exciting or will it leave us underwhelmed? I have no idea. It's 60 seconds to wrap up your pumpkin carving. Until next year, these are the moments that define us, ladies and gentlemen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. All right, David, tell me how it went.
Well, the first 5 minutes I was confident. I knew what I wanted, and then everything went to shit. I picked it up quickly, and I'm the loser, so I just pushed my way through, and I think mine's gonna be the winner. I mean, I'm pretty confident.
So you said that you didn't have many ideas at the beginning. When in those 25 minutes did you come up with one?
After 10 minutes or so.
About halfway through. Gotcha.
Well, I think it's still pretty darn good. I mean, I kind of gave her a good starting chance, so
Oh, do you
it'll
feel
be more
do you feel
competitive.
she needed that?
I'm not gonna say yes or no to that question. I'm just gonna, you know.
Who just carved a pumpkin? I feel really confident. I thought about doing something really big, but then thinking about the rules, I sketched like 5 different things, and I'm really happy with what I have. I'm just very excited that I carved my first pumpkin as well. I'm not gonna put that over my head. I'm just very excited, and I can't wait to show you guys and see what our judge is gonna think.
Let's adjourn back to the picnic table for the final decisions.
As a follower of this YouTube channel, it's gonna hit a personal chord for you.
This had to be something really spooky and really scary.
It's gonna be something that you're used to.
Oh my god, my heart's beating really fast. And this pumpkin, because this is Halloween, this pumpkin represents what this year was and how I felt. Very small and very sad. This is 2020. The worst year for us all.
When you're ready, let's see.
This is Abby. Okay, so let me explain.
What are those eyebrows?
Okay.
Abby's beautiful, long eyebrows. Abby's incredibly beautiful eyes.
Oh.
Abs, dimples.
Oh.
Her abs, beautiful hair.
I've never heard him say I
This
was
is-
beautiful.
Do you know what puxa saco means?
What does Pushasaka mean?
Puxa saco means grabbing the balls. You will do everything to
Oh,
impress
brown
that
noser.
person.
Yeah, brand
Boom.
new. Back to this beautiful creature.
The leader with your pumpkin. Sit with your pumpkin with your leader. Follow the leader with your pumpkin and sit 6 feet
really
away,
hope this is in the
6
video.
feet away, 6 feet away. But this is the most exciting time of Pumpkin Wars, the decision. I have 2 lovely pumpkins in front of me and 2 people's hearts that I can tell are very much on the line and will explode if I reject them right now. How much he wants it? How much he wants it? I'm in a tight spot, guys. I feel like I'm gonna lose a friend. The winner of Pumpkin Wars 2020 is and David!
And Abby died!
Did you say and David?
David with the bad sport energy over there.
This is Abby after she gave Jessica the first place.
I feel threatened.
That's what we call a sore loser.
Winner of Pumpkin Wars 2020! Wow, wow, wow. So, do you agree with my decision? Let me know down below with a comment. David, stop. I can tell you what to say. Ah!
Talking about Brazil and Venezuela. We suck bad.
You just like made me scared of my own face.
Oh my god!
Did you record that? 'Cause
And I'm
I
so
want
cute.
that to be in your video.
I'm so cute. How could I be afraid of this?